Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand under the flipped classroom on the topic of blockchain and IoT through one of our student, Mr. Aditya, and let us find out something interesting under this topic and let us enjoy this topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Adeetya Yadav and today I am going to present you about IoT along with blockchain. So let's begin with the term of IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. It represents the devices, the electronic devices like the fans, the AC, the refrigerator, which are connected to Internet. The multiple devices at our home connected to the Internet that are providing and linked through those sensors and actuators. Under IoT, the major benefit is that you could use those machines that were unable to operate from Internet. What I mean by this is that firstly, we only used to say smartphones because we can operate it from anywhere remotely. We could perform major tasks upon them. They were connected to Internet. But through these IoT devices, we could work upon the refrigerators, we could work upon our ACs, the bills and everything. IoT gives you the ability, it provides you the facility to work upon the applications, the machines and mechanism that were manually operated but now can be simply very easily automated by a single individual. In this ledger format, the data is stored in each and every block. Under blockchain, it is said to be the data recorded is always immutable. Immutable in a sense, it means that data cannot be altered. In traditional ways, in traditional methods like banking systems, like the application forms and like all the other transactions that happens in an organization, in any corporate environment could be altered because they were centralized and operated by a human. And no fixed guarantee was there that it was completely secure and can be popular. Recently, blockchain also provides solution to the things where we need the data to be always intact and everything to be in place. It provides security. So, blockchain provides a solution that data won't be manipulated or it won't remain mutable. The devices would always be trusted and there exists transparency because every person in the blockchain has the record of the transactions it's being performed and the results of it. So, I want to share you a real life example of how this blockchain and IoT are combinedly being used. So, if we talk about the benefit, then we consider the limitations. IoT possesses a huge amount of limitation, and the very first one is that it has limited computational power. Every device that we install is having a minimal cost, but that cost does not cover the heavy computational power that it could gather. Basically, all the IoT devices have limited power, consumes huge energy, huge electricity when they are combinedly being used. They need a gateway to operate, they need a cloud infrastructure to work with. All those things are working together, but on those little components, it is difficult and a complex architecture to work with. At present, there are problems, there are issues dealing with the IoT and cloud infrastructure, but in future we have different solutions. The first one and the very common one we could think about is the AI integration. Into this, we could consider that if we are collecting data through blockchain, if we are storing them, then we could very easily maintain the integrity we could very easily derive the insights through AI and deep learning. Then we could say that 6G technology, the involvement of it could be very beneficial. On top of that, there exists the autonomous systems that were being designed, developed, and the very first example that we had seen and common one is the autonomous self-driving vehicles, the self-driving car. In conclusion, I would like to say that when billions of devices communicate, trust becomes essential, and IoT brings the connectivity and blockchain ensures that the connectivity is secure. Thank you.